Hello Pointwise users, and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we review the selection mask functionality. The functionality is how a user controls which entities are selectable in the GUI. By clicking the mask, all entities are either toggled on or off for selection. A user can toggle specific entity types on or off for selection by checking the corresponding entities. For convenience, the toolbar can be anchored in various locations throughout the GUI, as well as detached completely, allowing the toolbar to float freely in the scene. Advanced controls are accessible in the mask panel. Other than database boundaries and groups, all mask options are in frames which are closed by default. Simply click the checkbox for that entity type to expand the frame. Entity type options that are checked in the mask panel can be selected, while entity type options that are not checked cannot be selected. Selecting a specific type, for instance domains, will expand the masking options further to allow more selection control. For blocks, selecting a type also provides additional masking options. Note there is some interaction between the mask panel and the mask toolbar. If some of the entities in the basic entity type are checked and some are not, the corresponding toolbar button will appear with a filled square rather than a check mark. This indicates that the particular entity type is neither all on or all off. For instance, if unstructured blocks are checked on and the structured blocks are checked off in the mask panel, the checkbox next to the block symbol in the mask toolbar will become filled as shown here. Likewise, mask toolbar actions will affect the state of the checkboxes in the mask panel. If the checkbox next to the block symbol is checked, all the block types will become selectable, and the corresponding checkboxes in the mask panel will have check marks in them. Similar interaction also occurs between the mask toolbar and the list. That is, if the checkbox next to the block symbol is unchecked, none of the blocks will be selectable in the list. Note that when the mask is checked on for database boundaries, they can only be seen and selected in the display window and are not available in the list panel. If you like this video, please check the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please drop us a line below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all for watching and have a pleasant Tuesday.